Good morning, children. Today, let us deal with chapter number 7, Mental Arithmetic. Children, mental means not what we call like, are you mental? Not that mental, children. Mental means calculating in the mind. Arithmetic means, it's a maths which deals with numbers. So today we will learn how to solve the sums mentally. Okay, now here they have already done for you. 2 plus 4, 4 plus 2 is 8. 2 plus 5 plus 1 is 8. 1 plus 4 plus 3 is 8. 2 plus 3 plus 3 is 8. So same way here they have given the box, but we have to calculate it. This no need of writing in the fair. Whatever I do in the textbook, please do it in the textbook, and whatever should be written in the fair, that I will be giving you the images. Now see here, first one they have already written 2 plus 3 plus 5. Okay, so what we have to do here? What I will do is, I have told you this one, interchanging. What is that interchanging? See here, in the 6th chapter, you have learned interchanging here. Same way, here also we will interchange. See here, 2 plus 3 plus 5, okay. So here what I am going to do, this 5 and 3. So here 2 plus 5 plus 3. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. Now here what I am going to do, 3 plus, again I will interchange this 2 now. 2 plus 5. Very easy. No need of wasting the time how to get it. Okay. Now next, what to do here? Already 5 is there, 5 is there. 5 plus 5, 10. So, but they have asked here one more number. What to do? So, I will do is 0, I will keep it. 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay. So, here in this we have got a 3 sums here. 2 plus 3 plus 5, one sum. 2 plus 5 plus 3, another sum. 3 plus 2 plus 5 is another sum. Since here 5 and here 5 has come, we have to change this. Okay. Yes. Now we will go to the next page. Play with numbers. That is activity 3rd. See here, children. Radha, Gauri, John, Jyoti and Prakash. Okay, John, Radha, Gauri, Prakash and Jyoti have collected tamarind seeds fallen on the ground under a tamarind tree. Okay, so you know what is tamarind tree. Okay, so you know what is tamarind tree. They have collected the fallen seeds which was fallen down. They have collected. So Radha has collected how many? 20. Gauri has collected how many? 24. Jyoti 12. John 18. And Prakash 36. Now we have to solve the sums. John and Radha together have 38 tamarind seeds. Say true or false. Yes, children. So John how many? 18. And Radha how many? 20. Yes. 18 plus 20 is 38. Yes. Whether it's true or false? Yes, children. John and Radha together have 38 tamarind seeds. Say true or false. John has collected how much? 18. Radha has collected how much? 20. So is equal to 38. So what they have told, the sentence is true. Say true or false. It's true. Okay. Next one. How many tamarind seeds do Gauri and Prakash together have? Now let us see. Gauri has how many? 24. Prakash has how many? 36. So what we have to do is we have to calculate. 6 plus 4 is 10. 1 carry over. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So totally, how many seeds do Gauri and Prakash have? 60 seeds. Next, how many tamarind seeds does Radha have than Jyoti? Okay, children. First, we will see how many Radha has collected. 20. Okay. Then how many Jyoti has collected? 12. How many more they have asked? So what we have to do? We have to subtract. 20 minus 12. 12 keep in a mind, count till 20. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Actually, you have to calculate mentally. So, Radha have 8 seeds more than Jyoti. Now, if the number of tamarind seeds that Gauri and John have to be equal, then John has to collect 7 more seeds. Say true or false. What is the meaning of this? What they are telling? Gauri has how many? 24. John has how many? 18. Gauri has how many? 24. John has how many? 18. To equal Gauri, how much John have to collect? Means they have told collect 7. Whether it is correct or no, we have to check. After 18, let us count 7. Okay, after 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Yes. See here. Yes, children. So what we have to do is, John has already 18. If he has collected more 7, then it will be 25. But Gauri has how many? 24. So it is true or false? It is false. Yes, children. Here, if the number of tamarind seeds that Radha and Jyoti have to be equal, that means whatever Radha and Jyoti are collected, it should be equal. How many more seeds should Jyoti collect? That means Jyoti should collect more to equal Radha. Okay. So what is here means already Radha has 20 and Jyoti has 12. So what we will do? Radha has collected 20 minus 12 we will do. Okay. So how many seeds she must collect more? 8 seeds. Okay. And this fourth one, third one and fifth one. This both answers are same and even question also is same. But just they have changed the way of questioning. Here they have asked how many Radha has more. Here they are asking how many more Jyoti should collect. Now next children. Prakash and Gauri together have 68 seeds. That means these both have 68 seeds. If Gauri has 24 seeds, then how many seeds does Prakash have? So what we have to do? The total seeds minus what Gauri has? 24. So 8 minus 4 is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. So how many seeds Prakash have more? Are 44. Now we will move to activity 4. Game of reaching 100. Asha, which number between 1 and 9 shall I say? My number is 9. Ashok, I will add 7 to 9. It becomes 16. I will add 4 to 16. It becomes 20. I will add 5 to 20. It becomes 25. They are going on adding children. This you can play. Okay. 1 plus 6 to 25. It is 31. I will add 8 to 31. It becomes 39. So whatever number you like, you must add and reach to 100. Okay children, here you see. I will add 1 to 39, it becomes 40. I will add 3 to 40, it becomes 43. I will add 7 to 43, it becomes 50. I will add 8 to 50, it becomes 58. If there are many, we can finish the game very early. So like this game can be continued by adding number from 1 to 9. This game can either be played by 2 students or 2 teams. The one who reaches 100 first is a winner. Okay, understood children? This you can play. So I have just explained it how to play. You have to add the numbers from 1 to 9 and go on adding it till you reach 100. Who will reach 100? They are first or they are winner.